What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. It's Bryan Sumardi here, your mortgage consultant, and today's video we're going to be all about our veterans. So we're going to be talking about the VA loan. I'm going to explain everything that you need to know about the VA loan. So let's get right into it and what it is. So obviously the VA loan is a government loan. It's backed by the VA, which is the Department of Veteran Affairs, which ultimately means that the VA is backing or guaranteeing a portion of this loan and making it easier for veterans to obtain these loans for homes. Like most other government loans, this needs to be your primary residence at the time of purchase. I think that's a good breakdown of what it is. Now let's get into the benefits. The main benefit of the VA loan is that it does not require a down payment to obtain a loan. As a Marine Corps veteran myself, I know the military doesn't pay that well, especially on the enlisted side. And in most cases, that means you just have to pay your closing costs. But in certain times, you may be able to get the seller to pay parts of your closing costs, up to 4%. The VA also has more flexibility in terms of credit and income. For the VA loan, there are no credit limit requirements, but from lender to lender, they may require certain credit scores. I generally recommend a score of at least 640 for a more favorable interest rate. Another benefit to the VA loan is that it has no mortgage insurance, also known as PMI for conventional loans. So even though you don't have 20% down, which is what you would need for a conventional loan to drop your PMI, you don't need that at all, or you don't have to worry about it as a VA or as a veteran. And in certain states like Maryland and Virginia, if you have a 100% disability rating, you may not have to pay property taxes. So a couple $100 not paying PMI, and if you have that 100% disability rating, that could save you like close to $500 in Montgomery County. Like other government loans, the VA loan also offers lower interest rates in comparison to conventional loans. Lower interest rates means lower monthly payments. So with every benefit, there has to be a drawback, and let's get into those. So when it comes to the VA loan, they have to be eligible borrowers. So you need a DD-214 saying that you're honorably discharged, or something from your admin called a COE, a certificate of eligibility. Other than that, not all lenders do VA loans. You can use your VA loan multiple times, so you don't have to have only one and done. But there are requirements for the home in terms of safety and health requirements. And if you really want to get into the details to see if you're eligible for the VA loans, let's talk about it. So to be eligible for the VA loan, you need to have served 90 days during wartime or at least 181 days during peacetime. Also, reservists and National Guard members are also eligible as long as they complete at least 6 years of service. Surviving spouses of military personnel who have died in service or have a service-related disability are also eligible. I also want to add a reminder that the VA guarantees a portion of the loan, but that doesn't mean they provide it. Private banks are the ones who actually lend you the money. Now let's talk about applying for the VA loan. If you're still active duty, I recommend you to go to someone in admin and ask for your COE. If you're already discharged, I would recommend going to va.org to order your COE or call the VA directly to have them mail it to you. And in some cases, your lender may be able to contact the VA on your behalf to obtain that for you. This is probably the most important thing to ensure you're eligible for the loan. Once you begin the application, you should be able to go through the lender's process of their pre-approval. And during the consultation, you should be noted that once fully approved, you should have no problems closing within 30 days. So to sum it all up, the VA loan is a great loan for veterans who are eligible, just like myself, how I did it for my first home. The VA loan made it easier for me because I had to pay no down payment, I didn't have to worry about PMI, and I got a good rate for the time being. Another good point to add is that the VA also offers a streamlined refinance called the VA IRRRL. The VA also offers a VA Veteran Affairs interest rate reduction refinance loan. This will allow you to refinance your loan without having to show income documents again. Another point to add is that the VA loan has a VA funding fee, and currently for your first time usage, it's 2.15% of the loan amount. And there you have it. If you're interested in learning more about the VA loan or applying for one, please check the links in the description and schedule a consultation with me. As always, thank you for watching. Please drop a like and subscribe to the channel if you haven't, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.